When it comes to SUV tires, manufacturers love to boast about their latest innovations, cutting-edge compounds, and revolutionary tread patterns. The problem is, most of them try to be everything to everyone. After putting the market's top contenders through rigorous testing, we've found 5 all-season SUV tires that truly deliver where it matters most. We'll rate each one on what really counts: dry performance, wet handling, noise levels, longevity, and overall value. Let's start with the Michelin Cross-Climate 2. When Michelin developed this tire, they didn't just aim for good all-round performance. They obsessed over wet handling. That focus paid off. In our wet braking tests, it stopped a full car length shorter than the average competitor. But here's what's really impressive. That exceptional wet performance doesn't come at the cost of dry handling or longevity. When it comes to dry performance, the Cross Climate 2 delivers exceptional straight-line stability and cornering grip. The tire maintains consistent contact with the road, even during aggressive maneuvers, while its steering response remains precise and predictable throughout your drive. In wet conditions is where this tire truly proves its worth. It offers superior hydroplaning resistance and remarkable grip in heavy rain, with emergency wet braking distances that rank among the shortest in its class. While the noise levels are relatively quiet, they're not class-leading. You'll notice a slight hum at highway speeds, though it never becomes intrusive to your driving experience. The tire's longevity is outstanding, with most users reporting more than 60,000 miles before replacement, and the wear pattern stays remarkably even throughout its lifespan. Despite its premium price point, the extended lifespan and consistent performance make the Cross Climate 2 a solid long-term investment. The Continental Cross Contact LX25 takes a different approach. While most manufacturers compromise ride comfort for performance, Continental's engineers found a way to deliver both. The secret lies in their noise-reducing tread pattern, which makes this one of the quietest tires we've tested, while still maintaining impressive grip in both wet and dry conditions. The Cross Contact LX25 demonstrates confident handling with excellent stability in dry conditions. While it may not feel as sporty as the Michelin, it provides more than enough grip for daily driving situations. In wet conditions, the tire proves very competent, with wide circumferential grooves that channel water effectively, though its braking distances are slightly longer than the Cross Climate 2. The tire's most impressive feature is its class-leading quietness. Continental's noise-reducing technology really delivers here, making it an ideal choice for luxury SUVs. The tire offers good but not exceptional tread life, typically lasting around 50,000 miles with proper maintenance. With its mid-range pricing and premium performance, the Cross Contact LX25 presents an excellent value proposition for SUV owners. Moving on to the Pirelli Scorpion Verde All-Season Plus 2. This tire proves that efficiency doesn't have to mean compromise. Its low rolling resistance design helps save fuel, but what really stands out is its consistent performance across all our testing criteria. It's not the absolute best in any single category, but it delivers solid results across the board. The Scorpion Verde All-Season Plus 2 impresses with its sharp steering response and good overall grip, performing particularly well in warmer conditions. Its wet weather performance is above average, offering good hydroplaning resistance and maintaining predictable handling in light to moderate rain. The tire runs very quietly at city speeds, though road noise becomes more noticeable when traveling on rougher highways. Pirelli has improved the wear characteristics over the previous generation, with these tires averaging 55,000 miles of use. While the pricing sits in the premium category, the balanced performance and improved durability justify the investment for many drivers. The Bridgestone weatherpeak might seem like the new kid on the block, but it brings some serious innovation to the table. Its tread compound remains flexible in cold weather while still maintaining stability in summer heat, a balance that many all-season tires struggle to achieve. The weatherpeak delivers strong and stable dry handling, excelling in emergency maneuvers and maintaining composure during sudden lane changes. Its innovative tread pattern provides excellent wet weather grip, with particularly impressive performance in light snow conditions. When it comes to noise, the weatherpeak sits in the middle of the pack. Road noise is present, but remains well controlled throughout your drive. While this tire is relatively new to the market, early indicators suggest a tread life of 45,000 to 50,000 miles. Considering its all-weather capabilities, the weatherpeak comes in at a competitive price point that makes it an attractive option for many SUV owners. Now here's the Goodyear Assurance Weather Ready. Goodyear took a gamble with its unconventional tread design, and it paid off in our wet handling tests. However, the aggressive pattern does result in slightly more road noise than its competitors. The Assurance Weather Ready provides good overall grip with a focus on stability over sportiness, delivering safe and predictable performance in everyday driving situations. Its wet weather performance stands out, with excellent water evacuation and grip. The aggressive tread pattern proves particularly effective in heavy rain. However, this tire is the most vocal in our lineup, with increased road noise being the trade-off for its excellent wet performance. The tire delivers decent tread life, typically lasting around 45,000 miles before needing replacement. With its mid-range pricing and strong all-weather performance, the Assurance Weather Ready represents good value, particularly for drivers in wet climates. The Michelin Crossclimate 2 emerges as our top overall recommendation. While it commands a premium price, its exceptional performance across all criteria, particularly its combination of wet weather capability and longevity, makes it the most well-rounded option for most SUV owners. However, if quiet operation is your top priority, the Continental Cross-Contact LX25 deserves serious consideration. And for those in particularly wet climates, the Goodyear Assurance Weather Ready's outstanding wet weather performance might outweigh its noise disadvantages.